Hey guys, grab some popcorn and make yourselves comfortable. Let's get started. So we finally hit the roads from our stay in Coorg or Kodagu, and we proceeded towards Kudremukh, which was the destination for the day. And we chose a route which would take us through the place called Kalladka. The route that we selected was pretty scenic. It had fair bit of traffic at places, but most of it was pretty scenic with a lot of twisties and ghat roads to enjoy, and we did have a very nice time driving through these roads. The route that we were driving on took us through Madikeri Road. This basically connects Madikeri to Mangalore, and we took a deviation towards Kudremukh later. The road that connects Madikeri and Mangalore is a paradise to bikers because it has such nice corners, nice long sweeping corners where you can just corner as hard as you want, and there's a lot of runoff area as well. So we took our first break at the Abbey Koli Falls, which is a famous place near Kodagu or Kudremukh on the Madikeri highway, and there were a fair bit of tourists over there. We spent some time looking at the beautiful waterfalls, and we had some snacks and chai, and we proceeded ahead after that. So after spending some time near the falls, we hit back the twisties and we started enjoying the route once again. The tarmac was new and it was well laid as well, so did not find much difficulty driving through these roads. It was definitely an enjoyable experience, and everyone in the car just loved it. Alright guys, so we are in Kalladka, and there is a special tea of Kalladka that we are going to try now. I mean, we have had it before, but I'll go ahead and try this again. So I'll show you what the tea looks like, and I will also talk about how it tastes like. So this is how Kalladka tea looks like. Try karo, try karo. देखा देखा देखा. Okay, let's observe this. Crazy suspension है शायद. चलो.
हिसाब से लगाया है कि इनको पता है कौन सा चीज कितना ज़्यादा हैवी है.
So KT or Kallarka tea is something that everyone passing through this place should definitely give a try. It's worth a try. It looks amazing and it definitely tastes pretty nice as well. So the next time you visit that place, do try it out. So after having the Kallarka tea, we proceeded ahead towards our destination, and we did not stop much, we did not take much breaks, we just stopped for a lunch. I did not shoot that because it was a very crowded place and there was nothing worth showing, but the food was really nice. We just stopped by a couple of scenic locations. The route that we had taken had its own charm, and I would say it was really scenic in its own way. It was a scenic route, but I would suggest to not expect anything out of the world on this route, as these are small towns and villages where people have a simple life, and we definitely enjoyed it.
So we are on the way to Kudremukh, and we have stopped at a place unknown to us. There's a beautiful river going below.
So we continued our journey towards Kudremukh. I did not cut these clips off this video, even though it made the video too long, because they are really scenic places that I wanted to show you, the roads and the things around us. So I hope you are enjoying the rawness of the vlog, because I just want to keep it real and also give that raw feel of the places that we visited. If you guys feel otherwise, do let me know in the comment section of this video. Alright, so you finally reached the Kudremukh checkpost where we need to get a pass, and I got down to grab the pass for us so that we can pass through this place, which is Kudremukh.
4 passengers, sir. 4 passengers.
Here, yeah.
हाँ, correct. Got the entry pass done. Time to head inside Kudremukh.
It started to get dark as we entered Kudremukh. It does not show up on the camera, though it looks much brighter than what it was over there. But we thoroughly enjoyed the drive to Kudremukh. It was really beautiful and scenic, and we enjoyed every bit of it. Just for the record, there's a 1 hour time limit of these entry and exit point gates, where they check the entry time and the exit time, and if you exceed that 1 hour limit, you need to pay a fine. So just avoid that. Do not stop too much inside the national park. It's anyways a reserved forest. They don't encourage you stopping your car or getting down from the car. So yeah, that's about it, and definitely enjoy the beauty of Kudremukh, which we thoroughly did. The lush green forest all around us was an absolute treat to the eyes. The mountain ranges that you see on the video, they were so much beautiful in reality. Camera can definitely not do justice, and also the light levels were low over here, so the video quality is also pretty compromised. It got pretty dark as we proceeded towards the exit gate. We also stopped at the KIOCL township gate for a few minutes just to get a feel of the area. It is anyways not open to tourists. We really wanted to visit the KIOCL township, but we could not. So we proceeded towards the exit gate and we got into our stay. We had not pre-booked our stay, but we really found a beautiful homestay near the exit gate of Kudremukh.
Alright guys, good morning. This is the 3rd day. Just excuse my swollen face. I just wanted to share with you guys the view just outside the window of our room. So that is the Kudremukh range. So this was a proper homestay, and the room is very basic, as you can see. If you are interested in adventure, you might like this kind of setup. Again, depends on your choice. So this is how the property looks like. This is the main entrance, and that is the view from the backside. Just look at how cool this looks like. So beautiful, so freaking beautiful.
I will definitely leave the contact number and the map location for this stay in the description. Do check it out.
That's our car parked below.
Alright guys, so we are starting from our stay. This is day 3. It is 1:50 now. So काफ़ी late निकल रहे हैं हम. Stay was quite nice. It is a proper homestay, and it's very near to the main road, which is right in front of us. This way is Kudremukh. We came that way and we are heading towards the other way today. So here we start. So after a filling breakfast, we started off on our journey towards Bengaluru via Chikmagalur and Mulyanagiri. The stay was really amazing. It was run by a guy and his parents, and it was a very homely atmosphere over there. They had no such restrictions of check-in and check-out time, which we really liked, as we started much later in the day. We were not at all asked to leave at the checkout time and anything of that sort. So I would definitely suggest this stay for people who really enjoy such adventures. By the way, the name of the stay was Malnad Homestay. Alright guys, we are on the way to Bhadra Coffee Shop. You might have seen this place before in one of my videos. ब्रेड ऑमलेट बनेगा. हाँ, 3 ब्रेड ऑमलेट, 4 कॉफ़ी, और कॉफ़ी जेली है. हाँ, कॉफ़ी जेली विद फ्रेश क्रीम 2. थोड़ा जल्दी कीजिए, हम लोग थोड़ा जल्दी में. So that is what coffee jelly with fresh cream looks like. You should definitely try this whenever you visit this place, Bhadra Coffee Shop. It's a must try for every food lover. Boy, I binged on that. It was amazing. So with that, the video became pretty long and I decided to end it over here. So if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or comments or you want to share your thoughts, please put down a comment in the video. और अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब ना किया हो तो बिल्कुल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. Please subscribe guys if you're new to the channel, and thank you so much for watching the video. Do share the videos with people who would be interested in such travel videos, and thank you again for watching. Have a nice day.